Hello, today I'm going to show you the signs, a few different signs related to the English word address or address. Okay, so this word has many meanings. Which sign you'll use? That depends. Ready? Address, address. It's similar to the sign live, live, address, meaning you live where? Address or address. Lecture or presentation. Like to give an address. When you stand up and you either speak or sign, lecture, discuss, discuss, discuss. Maybe there's a problem or conflict, something. The two of us must discuss it. We must address it. Manage, manage, manage. So again, maybe there's some problem that we have to manage, address a problem. Manage, manage a situation. Again, maybe address where you live, presentation or lecture, discuss, and manage. Which sign you use depends on that word address, which meaning you're talking about. Are there different meanings I forgot? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.